Welcome to Aligned Data Centers. Safety is a core value and part of our DNA. Our goal is for everyone to enjoy a safe visit today. No photography is permitted. Speak to an aligned representative if you'd like a photo. No food or drinks are permitted within mission-critical areas. Do not touch any buttons, breakers, switches, or equipment on your tour. Stay within 10 feet of your aligned tour guide. Stay on designated walk paths and do not deviate from the group. If you must take a call or stop for any reason, notify your aligned tour guide immediately. For construction sites, the following PPE is required: hard hat, safety glasses, cut-resistant gloves, safety vest, and sturdy boots. For our operational facilities, PPE is typically not required. Your aligned tour guide will provide you with any equipment that is needed. If you see something, say something. If you are on a construction site, emergency response signals will be implemented through a separate alarm system. This may include mobile alarms, air horns, or sirens. Your aligned tour guide will confirm what alarm signal will be used. For operational facilities, the building fire alarm will signal an evacuation. During an emergency, stay with your aligned tour guide at all times. Your tour guide will lead you to one of our designated muster points to ensure your safety. These muster points are typically located in the parking lot at our operational facilities. For our construction sites, a member of our field team will share a brief logistics map to show muster point locations. Remember, always stay with your aligned tour guide. No photography on site. No food or water in mission-critical areas. Ask plenty of questions. Enjoy your tour and be safe.